Hello there, everyone. How's it going? It's our farmers only edition of the Payroll in Excel 2020 file. That's right. We're working on the Form 943. I have a lot of exciting things to talk about in the Payroll in Excel application that we've built here and been working on for over 10 years, really. This is the first time I've ever worked in the agriculture industry, and I wanted to bring up a little something I hadn't been aware of previously. There's a 943 instead of a 941. A lot of people have done a lot of the companies that I've worked with over the past file a quarterly 941 to report all their wages and taxes due and everything. That's great. That's your 941 here. However, there's a 943. So when you're in agricultural industry and farming, well, the 943 asks basically a lot of the same questions that the 941 does. And one thing that I'd like to show you that we can notice here is this thing looks like the form that you file, the PDF that you get off the IRS website. That's right. We are adding this year functionality to be able to print this page and have it automatically fill in. That's right. We have all of our payroll information by employee and stuff in here, by daily hours and type of, in farming, sometimes you'll get paid by the amount of the crop yield and the way that you harvest the crop. There's paid break times. There's different types of hours. All these things are paid, and pay stubs get generated. And now we have a printable 943. So you just go and print this. This thing automatically fills it out. So as everything changes, this is an annual report. It's going to total up all the months by month automatically. I mean, let's go in and let's add somebody. Let's say that we have another employee. We have Cornfields, works on, I don't know what they're harvesting here in November, but let's say that they put in 8 hours, and then we go find Cornfields entry on that period. You can filter by the time period. All this stuff can be hidden. You don't have to see this. You can just see the stuff that you really want to work on. Pops up like right here. Here's Cornfields check. 8 hours. Let's give Cornfields a rate. $15 an hour. Let's give Cornfields a $500 bonus also. Everything is going to fill itself in. You're going to have a pay stub for Cornfields on that date of November 14th. Boom, that's your check, $525, and all the taxes that were taken out for the state of Washington if you paid this person weekly and they were in Washington State, where there is no state tax, but there's paid family medical leave and potentially workers' comp and things. So as you have all this here done, what happened is, boom, all of a sudden we had this withholding for November that just got added in here because we just added that paycheck for Cornfields, right? And everything here automatically changed. This is really cool. All the forms are going to be like that this year in 2021 payroll in Excel. The 941 will be this way. The 943, the 940 for unemployment will be this way. The 941 schedule will be if you are a semi-weekly depositor and you have to make payments after each one of your pay periods within 3 days. That's what it means to be a semi-weekly depositor, is that you have to pay the government within 3 days after your paychecks usually. All that stuff's going to be automatic in here, and you're just going to have these things filled out and just print them and send them away. So no more transposition errors or trying to type these things in by hand. So that is super cool. I just wanted to talk about this 943 because it's really not too bad. It's very similar to 941. Where this is going to come in handy is it's going to add up your adjustments, these fractions of a cent adjustments that happen when you end up multiplying your Social Security and Medicare by the 12% or the 2.9%. That'll sometimes happen. This thing automatically figures out for you, and as long as you make your deposits the way you're supposed to, everything's going to match, and you don't have to waste your time filling this out. So that's the 943. That's right, farmers only. But this payroll and Excel program can apply to people that aren't just farmers. So if you're interested, go to kenbraverman.com. But as for right now, expect payroll to get even easier in 2021.